I'm with JG Berries.
My name is Claudia Muñoz. I'm working with GM Products. Welcome to the Farmers Market.
The farm is located in San Luis Obispo County, up north, and a good spot for the berry growing. We usually feature 3 varieties mainly. It's the blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. And sometimes in the summertime, we'll get some other kinds of berries like mulberries, golden raspberries, pink lemonades.
The berries grow all year round, and this is my golden gooseberries. They grow all year round also, and the strawberries.
Thanks to California's weather, we grow blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries year-round. The main thing about the berries is the antioxidants that helps you with your immune system. It's good for like all kinds of diseases, including cancer. Here in Hollywood is a great community. I know people that have been coming all 9 years that I've been here. They come every week. Some people tell me that they see me more than they see their own family.